Today, the honorary mayor for the city of East Lansing, Malcolm Carroll. Well, about 3 or 4 weeks ago, one of his classmates was eating lunch and began choking on some food, and it concerned everybody. Everyone was pretty scared about this, and Malcolm very calmly, very coolly got up and walked over to his classmates, performed the Heimlich maneuver, a maneuver that he learned about on the internet. And by the time that the principal of the school and some teachers were there to assist, his classmate was doing well. And we're very proud of Malcolm for his service to a fellow student. I mean, that's what community service is all about, is helping someone when they're in need. So Malcolm is our honorary mayor today.
All right! You're mayor for the day. What do you want to tell your citizens?
Be good.